Today we're diving into how you can turn ChatGPT into your own personal fashion stylist. Whether you're building a new wardrobe, revamping your style, or prepping for a special event, well, ChatGPT can help you make smarter, more stylish decisions without ever stepping into a store. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you elevate your fashion game. Let's jump right in. So, you need to understand what kind of style fits you. Now, ChatGPT can help you define your signature aesthetic based on your daily routines, personality traits, and even your favorite colors or cultural references. Let's try it right now. So, I'm going to send this simple prompt right there, act as a personal stylist to ChatGPT. Send this over. Now, here's what ChatGPT would say. Yep, here we go. It's like, absolutely, I'd love to. To get started, can you tell me a bit about what you're looking for help with? Some questions to guide us, yada, 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 right over here, just in case this would pop up, in case you've asked the same prompt right here. And by the way, I already set up another prompt right here. Hold on, let me paste it down here. There we go. So I would ask, based on the following details, suggest a signature fashion style, preferred color palette, and typical outfit components. Let's say like this user is a 28-year-old woman working in a creative marketing agency in a big city. Love fantasy novels, vintage cafes, and weekend art exhibits. Sorry about that. Sophisticated is her ideal fashion vibe. A little whimsical, very comfortable. Don't like loud patterns. Enjoyed layered textures and soft earth tones. Okay, so let's send this prompt right now. Everything's detailed, just so ChatGPT would know. There we go. So let's see what kind of personalized fashion identity ChatGPT would build for this user per se. Okay, there we go. The following results. Okay, over here, preferred color palette, typical outfit components. All right, there we go. Let's keep scrolling down. There are more details on every clothing component. There we go, down to the optional right there. And here's an optional follow-up question you want to answer. But for now, let's focus on this. Let's take a look a little bit. Said, you're giving major romantic creative vibes. Okay, there we go. Signature fashion style, let's say urban, enchanted, minimalist. So here, blend of city sleek sophistication and romantic. Right. Flowing layers, cozy textures, vintage inspired details, artistic aesthetics, and color palette, base neutral, soft tones, accents, gold, green, navy. There's the typicals are about that. Outfit components right here. There we go, as you can see. And yep. So you can see it not only gave a defined style direction, but also explained why those elements fit the lifestyle. So use this to create a consistent theme right in your wardrobe. See how helpful ChatGPT with your fashion style out here? Yep, really works. Once you have a personal style, it's time to make it work for different settings. Whether you're going to a wedding, job interview, or brunch with friends, well, ChatGPT can help you build event-specific outfits that align with your signature look. So here's a prompt that builds on the same user profile from earlier. Let's say here, using my defined style of sophisticated comfort with subtle whimsy and earthy tones. There we go. Suggest a semi-formal outfit I could wear to, let's say, an art gallery opening in New York City. Let's say this October. It should include layered pieces for, sorry about that, cooler weather, smart accessories, comfortable but stylish footwear, and aligned with a refined yet creative look. Okay, so once we got this all detailed and specific, let's send this over. There we go, and wait for a second for ChatGPT to create something stylish for us. And yep, here we go. So outfit semi-formal with layers and personality. So as you can see right here, top layers, more detailed. There we go. There's the footwear, accessories. Oh, bonus touches like scent, hair, and another one right here. An optional additional question from ChatGPT. Just feel free to decide for yourself if this would ever appear. All right, let's take a look one more time right here. Okay, outfit, semi-formal, layers, and personality. Again, okay. So base layer, soft olive green or ochre silk blouse. All right. Then camel toned structured knit vest or lightweight merino cardigan. All right. And for the outer, here tailored wool blazer. Bottoms, high waisted, wide leg trousers. All right. Here's some extra details just in case. Then for footwear, pointed toe leather ankle boots. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Statement earrings, crossbody arm, mini structured satchel, or in terracotta or dusty rose suit. Is it that one? Yeah. Silk neck scarf, gold or bronze stacking rings, and a leather banded watch. So yeah, as you'll see right here, it makes it even more and more detailed, just in case you could search it up online, just so it could match with the details that ChatGPT would recommend to you. And yep, accessories, bonus touches. Just feel free to follow up if you want. And yep, there it is right here. So this is how you could make your wardrobe feel cohesive and versatile. Right here, just as ChatGPT would help you with right here. Okay, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Last up, let's talk about building your wardrobe strategically. Now, ChatGPT can audit your current style and suggest missing essentials so you don't waste money on impulse buys. So let's ask ChatGPT on what items are worth investing in next. Firstly, here we go. Simple as that. I'll send this over to ChatGPT to act as my personal fashion consultant. Send. All right. As you can see, it said absolutely. I'd love to be your personal fashion consultant. To get started, could you tell me a bit about your style goals, typical vibe, color preferences, body type and height, budget? Well, not to worry about these. I have another prompt set up. Let me just paste it over here. There we go. So here's what I say in my prompt. My wardrobe includes staples like fitted plain t-shirts, dark jeans, a tailored blazer, a leather loafers, and a light trench coat. So based on my signature style, sophisticated, comfort focused, and with layered textures and warm neutrals, what versatile pieces should I prioritize adding over in the next 3 months for fall/winter in an urban setting? Okay, add a detail outerwear, accessories, and shoes. Specify how each item complements my existing wardrobe. Okay, let's send this over and see what it recommends. Alrighty, let's wait for a moment. Might take a bit while. All right, here we go. So here it is, the following, and I feel like that each of these will have why, compliments, and style tip. Okay, wool overcoat. Another one, merino wool turtleneck, creamo mocha, Chelsea boots, cashmere beans, overshirt jacket. shirt jacket, a slim wool trouser. All right. An additional question right here. It's optional. It depends on how it appears right here. Would you like suggestions? Where to shop? Yep. It's all up to you with this one. And right here, it depends on where you live and how you input your personal information to ChatGPT. It will help you out finding where to shop for them, or you could ask which online platform to buy these. So, yeah, it is quite useful. And what are these right here? So, with Y, we're here in details on the clothing item itself and how it complements with that certain clothing item and style tip. Choose one with rippled texture. Yep, any texture, color, or anything that would complement your overall look. So yeah, perfect. So as you can see, ChatGPT gave quite thoughtful suggestions to round out the closet. Yep. So with each item enhancing your core style without feeling redundant. So this is how you shop smart and dress with intention. There you have it. So 3 powerful ways to use ChatGPT as your personal stylist. Whether you're building a new wardrobe or just looking to step up your daily fits, this tool can offer surprisingly spot on advice. Well, until next time, everybody, see ya.